The world around me today doesn't make sense. So why should I paint pictures that do? An artist is a person who paints what can be sold, and a good artist sells what he writes. I can paint like Raphael, but it will take me a lifetime to learn to paint the way a child paints. The artist is a receptacle of emotions that come from everywhere, from heaven, from the earth, from the rustling of paper, from fleeting shapes, from the web. Every child is an artist. The difficulty is to remain an artist after coming out of childhood. Put off until tomorrow only what you don't want to complete until you die. Action is the main key to success. The world doesn't make sense today. So why should I paint pictures that make sense? He who thinks he can, and can't he who thinks he can't. It is an immutable, undeniable law. You have to have an idea of what you're going to do, but it doesn't have to be very definite. God is as much an artist as other artists. Created the elephant, the giraffe, and the cat. He has no real style, but he sticks to new ideas. Some people see what is there and ask why. I see what could be and ask why not. I rest when I work and get tired when I'm idle or hosting. Who sees the human face right? The photographer, the mirror, or the artist? The truth were alone, you couldn't paint 100 canvases on the same subject. Others saw what was and asked why. I saw what could have been and asked why not. Only a few people understand the budding artist, famous one even fewer. 40 is the age when you finally feel young, but it's too late. Every positive value has its price in a negative sense. The genius of Einstein led to Hiroshima. I don't own any of my paintings because a Picasso original costs several $1,000s, a luxury I can't afford.